welcome to my video. Today we're going to do a rain experiment. For that we will need a glass of water, shaving cream, a pipette and food coloring. We will put the shaving cream in the glass and then we will take the pipette and get some food coloring. And then I'll squeeze it, squeeze. Wow, look everyone! It's coming.
Nice rain, Yazhini. Do you know how the rain falls?
Yes, Amma. First, we need the sun. The sun will warm all the lakes and ponds and oceans. And then it will make like the water will come up. And the water that comes up will make tiny drops. And then it will make a cloud. Then when they bump into each other, they will fall to the ground, a journey apart to down the road. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.